Say hello to your new best friend. Yes, the ice cream, but also the heated ice cream scoop. The days of using a spoon or another scoop to try to dig into your ice cream and end up flinging it, which we've all done, you have to admit it, we've all flung our ice cream before and it lands on the counter. That is a thing of the past with this heated ice cream scoop. You're able to just press the power button to turn it on. I love that it also has a safety switch on the back for safe storage. So I have it on right now, but otherwise you can turn it off when you're not using it. This is going to help keep it protected when you're washing it so it stays dry. And then it'll be lit up green when it's warm, and which was about 45 degrees Celsius. And then when it is even warmer, 60 degrees Celsius, this will turn red. So it's already been on. It only takes a moment to warm up and you can feel the heat, but it's great. And you're able to just glide right through your ice cream effortlessly. I mean, just look how easy and look how smooth that is. So now you're able to get a perfect scoop with the heated ice cream scooper. And this is perfect so that you can get right in, get clean, presentable, perfect scoops of ice cream. Enjoy. Highly recommend it. Thanks to the brand for providing this for me.